Hi guys, welcome back to Shopaholic Adventures, and I am Pragati and you are at Shopaholic Adventures. It is run by me and my sister, and we do a lot of makeup, fashion hauls, a lot of latest trends and styling videos and whatnot. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do subscribe to our channel and also press the bell button so that every time we post a new video, you guys are notified about it. And you guys are aware, finally Navratri aa rahe hai, festive period have started, so we have got you a beautiful kurti haul in a very affordable range from Ajio. Before the pandemic had hit, we used to go for a lot of Navratri nights, dandiyas and whatnot, but अब since पैंडेमिक है और हम लोग सारे बहुत ज़्यादा प्रिकॉशन ले रहे हैं, कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि हम बाहर जाना अवॉइड करें जितना भी पॉसिबल हो. सो लास्ट ईयर जैसी सेलिब्रेशन तो इस बार नहीं है ऑफ कोर्स, बट 2020 में ये एक अच्छी चीज होने जा रही है. फॉर अ चेंज, इट इज गोइंग टू ब्रिंग अ चेंज टू आवर मोनोटोनस लाइफ इन दिस horrible 2020 and I have been detesting it like anything. So नवरात्रि है guys, go dress up. कुछ नहीं तो घर पे ही ड्रेसअप हो जाओ अपने फैमिली के साथ, विद इन फैमिली हैव अ स्मॉल सेलिब्रेशन, मेक dishes of your choice and you guys can have a small celebration within home and you guys can dress up in those beautiful ethnics. And I know a lot of you do not want to invest in those heavy ethnics as well because कहीं बाहर तो जाना ही नहीं है, तो चनिया चोली heavy sarees किस लिए लेनी है. And I totally understand and I'm totally of the same view as well, and I have also not been investing too much into those heavy clothes, and instead I opted for these comfortable light clothes which give a very beautiful ethnic feel to your wardrobe and to your style. So let's start the haul. This haul is from Ajio. Now Ajio generally delivers your products within 3 to 7 days. All these kurtis were delivered within 3 days, I think. Yeah, so all my kurtis are delivered within 3 days, and Ajio is, I feel it's very reliable. Also, it's owned by Reliance Group. The quality which they offer is really nice. They have a good quality in a very reasonable rate. And also in Ajio, when you go for shopping, you can also see they have a discount within their website. Also, they offer you certain discount. So that's how you can go check the discount. So if you are shopping from Ajio, do not forget to check the discount out because you get further discount through this technique. And let's now not waste more time and start the haul. So the first piece in my collection is this blue kurti. So this is a beautiful cotton kurti. It's very vibrant. The color is really nice and it has this booty work on it, white and red booty. So I wore it with a red palazzo. You can also wear it with a red sharara, red skirt, white sharara, white skirt, pajami, pant, whatever suits you. You can take a dupatta as well. I generally don't enjoy taking dupatta too much. I like to just have a very simple look with a heavy jewelry. So I did that. But you guys can always pair it up with a beautiful dupatta. Give it a more heavy look. It's totally up to you. It's very reasonable. It was for somewhere 377. It's a steal for 377. Super reasonable. The quality is really good. It's a cotton. You guys can see the colors are vibrant. They do have a lot of other options. And the size which I bought was for XL. And yeah, so this is my first bought from Ajio and I love it totally. The second one which I have is this. This is again a beautiful printed cotton anarkali kurta. It has a lot of ghera. It's beautiful. I love the colors in this. It's pink and white, so gives an immediate vibrance to your outfit. I paired it up with the loose white chicken work palazzo, and this one has a slight embroidery on it as well on around the chest area, and it has this kind of sleeves, so it has a very fusion look to your kurta. And also if you don't want to wear it as a kurta, you can wear it as a dress as well. You can just put a belt around the waist, and yeah, I mean, it looks really nice. I love the ghera in this. Basically I love all the kurtas which have a ghera in it because I have heavy hips and thighs, so this basically covers that and I love it. So this one costed me somewhere around 335, and isn't that a steal? Don't you call this a steal? If this is not a steal, then what is a steal? Tell me. So yeah, I think this one is my favorite. I wore it already twice and I think I can just keep wearing it. I just love this one. The third one which I have is an off-white kurta with red buttons. So we all know, I mean, like, off-white looks just so pretty, and especially with red, it's like the best combination you can have. So this is like an off-white anarkali kurta again. It has full sleeves, and I paired it up with a red pants, and oh my god, it looked so pretty. And this one was for somewhere around 450. You guys can see again, I bought an XL size in this, and yeah, I mean, I just love this one. I did wear it once with a heavy red dupatta and a red palazzo, and it looked wow. Like, it actually looks really wow. It's a very simple but a very classic look. You can never go wrong with an off-white and red combination. So I mean, you should not even think twice before buying it. It's just a must. I mean, it is a must in your wardrobe. So go ahead and check this one out. The next one which I bought is this handkerchief style kurta. So this is this asymmetric kurta. It is a very handkerchief fall. And this one was actually full sleeves, but the sleeves were slightly tight for me around the arms, and I was not very comfortable. So I cut off the sleeves, and I made it into a sleeveless kurta, and I wore it with white loose palazzos. You can also take a dupatta if you want, or you can also wear this with, you know, harems or Afghani pants or dhoti pants. This will look really nice with white dhoti pants as well. I don't have white dhoti pants, so that's why I paired it up with palazzos. And this has this belt as well. You can tie it around the waist, and it's a very beautiful day kind of look kurta. So if you are planning to have a brunch with your family, this is perfect for that. It's beautiful kurta, and I totally love the design. It has this beautiful light design on it, and it just looks really nice. It actually steals the show. It's beautiful, light, comfortable kurta, and I love this peach color. It's a very day color. Looks really nice. So go check it out, guys. And this one costed me around 350, and again a steal, isn't it? Now the next one is actually, they are two separate kurtas which I bought, but I wore them as one because this is a very simple plain indie kurta which I bought. It's actually a rayon kurta, and it's a plain long kurta. It's very simple, but I did buy a jacket. It can be worn in a very angrakha style as well, but I didn't wear it like an angrakha. I just wore it like a jacket, and I tied it with this dori, and it looks really nice. It looks like a set, and it did go well. I paired it with a little darker shade of pink palazzos, and it really looked nice. I feel it makes it into a very beautiful simple kurta set, and I really liked it only for the fact that it's really comfortable, looks really nice, and it's a very different shade. It's a mehendi green shade, and I didn't have anything in this shade actually, so I'm loving this shade, and I am loving this set also. It's a very different set when it is worn together. Now this one costed me around 280 rupees for this kurta, and this one was for 460. So together this is somewhere around 700 plus, but I mean, you can create so many looks. You can wear it just simply as a jacket, also on your skirt, on your crop top and palazzo. So basically these are two different kurtas which I wore as one, and I love it. I totally love it. So here's the last one in my haul. Now this one is again a peach kurta. It's a long kurta. It's again an anarkali plain long kurta. It's actually a little darker shade of peach, and it's very subtle, and it has this slight golden design on it. So you know, if you're going to meet your family, and even if you want to sit for a puja and all, it's nice, it's comfortable, it's flary, and yeah, it's nice. And also you can wear it as a dress also later with a belt. It does have a belt. You can remove this belt and pair it up with a nice funky belt, and can be worn as a maxi dress. Again, this is very reasonable. This costed me somewhere around 360 rupees, and isn't this a steal? I mean, it's really nice. Again, this is not a cotton, this is a rayon material, so it's loose and comfortable, easy for you to sit for puja and all. Basically जब वो हवन वगैरह होता है, चौकड़ी मार के बैठनी होती है, तो उसके लिए this is really comfortable. So yes, this is my collection from the haul, and they are super reasonable clothes. Everything is under 500, and do let us know what you guys think about this haul, and would you be buying from Ajio or not? And if at all you do tag us on Instagram as well. We are on Instagram with the same handle as Shopaholic Adventures, so do show us love, and it does mean a lot. And thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe to our channel, do like and comment on the video if you find it useful, and enjoy the festivities, guys.